सम्पूर्ण राष्ट्रभक्त नेपालीहरुमा म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कि यो भिडियोलाई सक्दो शेयर गर्नुहोला ताकि विश्वले बुझ्न सकोस् कि नेपाल के हो र नेपाली को हो। Long live my nation till the life of sun and moon. Namaste. It's me Ramesh Prasai from Nepal, the country of brave Gorkha warriors, the motherland of Lord Buddha, the land of highest mountain of world Mount Everest, and a solo independent country since its rise, and also the senior most country of South Asia. Long live my nation till the life of sun and moon. Namaste. It's me Ramesh Prasai from Nepal, the country of brave Gorkha warriors, the motherland of Lord Buddha, the land of highest mountain of world Mount Everest, and a solo independent country since its rise, and also the senior most country of South Asia. Yes, the senior most country of South Asia. There was not any other internationally recognized state in South Asia before Nepal. If you talk about India, India was never a single country. It was fragmented in many small states such like Bengal, Punjab, Maratha, Mysore, etc. etc. Indians say that Britishers colonized India, but I say that Britishers unified India. So my country never became colonized, and today I am here to answer our Indian friends and especially the Indian media, which is being like a bloody propaganda unit of Adolf Hitler in nowadays. Indian media and especially the media persons like Arnab Goswami, they pretend to be nationalist. They pretend to be nationalist. Actually, they are TRPists who modified the truth for their TRP business. Because nationalism doesn't mean to disrespect other nations. Nationalism doesn't mean to disrespect others' territory and sovereignty. Nationality is not the hypocritism. Mr. Arnab Goswami said that Nepalese would be dreaming if they think that Kalapani and Lipulekh will be theirs. Mr. Goswami, you would be dreaming if you think that Kalapani is your territory and it will be yours. It is our territory and it will be ours. It was never in your territory. I will come to the issue of border and Indian media later, but first of all, I would like to heartily condemn the hypocrite statement, the ungrateful statement of Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane. I had no idea about that. The largest democracy of world, India, has this kind of indiscipline and random protocol in which an army chief